Missed the CrossFit class. Boom, what's going on, guys? So today is Thursday, rain day vibes out again. I'm gonna have my cup of coffee right now. Got some good sleep last night, I feel good. So, and I'm uploading a new video right now. But it's rain day vibes, feeling something warm. What better than some coffee? Can't go wrong with some Joe. You're probably thinking like, oh, it's coffee, you can't get much better than that. Well, you're wrong. If you tried Joe and Grow, what I'm about to show you, probably gonna blow your mind. It's gonna be one of the best things you've tried in 2019. All right? If you haven't already, check out this company, XWERKS. They have awesome proteins. The best protein I've personally ever bought in terms of taste, quality, and mixability. Best way I can describe their products is quality. So what I'm gonna do, take you through my little process. If it's rainy day vibes where you live and you kind of wanna switch up your coffee game and still make a little bit of gains, go to XWERKS, buy some protein. This is the chocolate flavor. It's 25 grams of protein and it's New Zealand grass-fed whey protein isolate. Anyways, a cup of Joe and a scoop of Grow. So this is a little bit of L-theanine you've seen in the last videos. Just a tiny bit of this. Throw in my coffee. It's tasteless, flavorless, barely any. It's a tiny bit, just a tad. Boom. And then I'm gonna throw my creatine in there as well, just because I like to mix it all up, mix everything up, get it done in the morning, just because I'm about to go work out. Scoop of creatine. The creatine's also flavorless, so that's why I like to mix it in as well. And now the good stuff, man. This has been a game changer for me in terms of just tasty. It mixes really, really well. Just gotta be careful, man. You don't want to lose any of it. It's precious cargo. Boom, so we got the creatine, L-theanine, and the Grow. The most important thing, the cup of Joe, baby. Look at that, it's already mixed up pretty well. I've bought in protein, man, and you can shake that thing all day. You get a freaking shoulder and arm pump from shaking that shaker cup. And it's still super clumped up and chalky. Check this out, quality in this bee. I honestly think this is by far the best protein I've ever had. I first found out about the company a while back, I think last year. Started following them, then got some of their protein. It was awesome. Then got some CBD. It was awesome. Now I got some more protein because I had to re-up, and some of their creatine just because I wanted to start taking creatine because I'm not taking any pre-workout, and I was used to taking my creatine with my pre-workout. It's already in there, mixed up. But if it's rainy day vibes, get you some Grow, get a cup of Joe and Grow. On a rainy day, you can't go wrong with a nice cup of coffee, scoop of protein in there. Tastes just like chocolate milk. I don't know, it's just good. Not even chocolate milk, it tastes better than that. Joe and Grow, baby, let's go. Rainy day vibes. Alright, so I missed the CrossFit class by like 15 minutes. I know I need to get better at it, but I'm still gonna do the CrossFit workout just at this normal gym and do the best I can to do that workout. I have it on my phone, but I'm going to replace some of the exercises with whatever I can do in here. I know there's like handstand push-ups in there, so I'm gonna do like dumbbell thrusters instead, stuff like that. So it's a couple rounds. I think it's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so I'll just film one round just to show you guys what the workout's about. And yeah, let's get into it. So that's gonna be the first part of the workout. It's gonna be 5 rounds, 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, and it's gonna be all for time. So I'll show you guys the next few exercises. Up. It was supposed to be 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, 15 squats. So I just knocked out the squats right now. Took like 10, maybe 5-10-second rest in between rounds. Now the second part's gonna be 4 rounds, 8 handstand push-ups. I'm gonna do 8 dumbbell thrusters, 5 or 15 kettlebell swings.
547 on that one. 4 rounds of 8 and 15. 3 rounds, 15 box jumps, 15 knees to elbow. So I'm not gonna have any box jumps or any box to jump on, but I'm gonna either do step ups on a bench and then the 15 knees to elbows. So that one was 536. The next thing is gonna be 2 rounds of 20 wall balls, 30 sit-ups. I'm gonna do 20 thrusters, 20 sit-ups. See how that goes. That was 533 on that, 2 rounds, 20 thrusters, 30 sit-ups. Now it's gonna be 50 burpees, whatever I can do. I'm trying to break them up, like maybe set to 15, that's 15, back on 15. That's gonna do it for this workout. 50 burpees, break them up however you want. I did 2 rounds of 25, rested about 15 to 30 seconds in between the 25 and the 50. That's gonna do it for this workout, man. Good workout, just a lot of moving, don't really stop. It's good, man. See you guys next load. And that's the workout. Sometimes you just gotta get it where you can. And honestly, overall, it's a good workout. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the workout. It took me about 40 minutes. I was in there for a total of about like 50 minutes. Pretty happy with that. I was planning on staying and doing some chest because I thought I was gonna get done quicker, but I did it. It was good, man. Pushed myself, got in there, knocked it out. Good workout, man. Gotta love CrossFit. Those box jumps were a little sketchy with that box. It was kind of wobbly, and those boxes are gnarly if you clip your foot, but hey, got it done. It worked. Overall, it's a good workout. See you guys next clip.
Man, just want to jump on here real quick. Feeling good after that workout. Went on a little drive afterward just because I had a little bit of extra time than I normally do. Just feeling good, man. Feeling thankful to be able to work out, do something that I love, make these videos, which is something I like doing and I'm passionate about. Photography and videography, it's something I've always been into, and you know, now that I'm actually like working on getting better at it, feels good, man. Just feel so thankful to, you know, be able to do what I love to do the things I like to do, you know, eat the foods I like to eat. Just feeling grateful, man. Just really feeling grateful. This morning, this daily stoic passage was talking about how just making the most out of right here, right now. Doesn't really matter how long you live, as long as you live to the fullest with what you have. You know, if you have a short life, you can make a short life actually turn into a long one. And it's just basically just making the most out of right here, right now. Just doing the best you can, being a good person, and just making the most out of your life. So just feeling good, man. Hope you guys take something away from this. I hope you guys are liking these videos. Obviously it's a journey, and I'm excited, you know, just to keep making these, man. See you guys next one.